Hey everyone, welcome back to Nothing Nerdy. So just a couple days ago, I finally got my Rise of Skywalker in the mail. I had ordered it from Target, and I've been waiting to open it up so that I could share it with all of you. So let's open it up, and we're going to check it out. We're going to see everything that's on there and see what it's all about. So let's see. I had pre-ordered this a while ago. I always like it. I mean, I didn't get it with this, but I always like it when you pre-order something, when you can pre-order one of the Star Wars movies and get like all these extras. Like I got a lot of like with Rogue One and with one of the other ones, I got like it came with artwork, like prints from the movie, like really, really beautiful pictures. So usually, I'm always hopeful that I can get stuff like that. They didn't do that for Rise of Skywalker. I don't really know why. Maybe somebody else knows, but yeah, I was a little disappointed about that. But I should show you one of these, some of the artwork that I have. It's really pretty. All right. Oh, look at it, look at it, look at it. Doesn't that look really nice? Let's see. Okay, so this is the Target exclusive 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray and digital code. Ooh, includes limited edition filmmaker gallery book and exclusive bonus content. Oh, all right, I'll show you the close-up sneak peek. Looks really cool, and this is the back. See all the characters. Let's see. So the Blu-ray has the Skywalker Legacy documentary. The story lives forever in this feature-length look at the making of the movie. Ooh, all right, that's gonna be fun to watch. Pasana Pursuit, creating the speeder chase, D.O. or Key to the Past, and more. All right, in the 4K Ultra HD. Oh, it's the movie. Okay. All right, let's open it up and check it out. Ooh, look at this. Alright, so now you can get a better look at the front. See Kylo Ren, got Rey and Poe and Finn. Alright, and then this is the side. Other side, and look. The droid, C-3PO, R2-D2, and BB-8. Oh, and the new one. So this slides. Ooh, let's make this dramatic. All right, ready? It's Rey. Or should you do it the other way? Hold on. Oh wow, oh my gosh, this is so pretty, look. Kylo Ren on the back. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Honestly, I think so far this is the nicest set of all the movies that I've seen so far. This is really, really nice. Alright, and then this opens up. So it has 4 discs. Not bad. Okay. Alright, so this one has the movie on it. This one has the bonus features. This is the Blu-ray disc. 4K Ultra HD. Last but not least, the DVD with exclusive bonus content. Oh, nice. So there's more pictures on the back. And with a gallery book. Alright. I don't want to get myself in trouble, so I won't go through everything, but this scene, I remember in the movie, was like a painting itself. So, yeah. Stormtrooper. Yeah, these are really nice. So then what they do in this book is they go through some of the characters. Droids. As well as some of the planets. Yeah. Oh, alright. So this is it, guys. This is the Rise of Skywalker Target exclusive. You could have gotten it from a couple other places. This is the one that I chose. Out of what I saw, it looked like it was the nicest. So, have any of you ordered your Rise of Skywalker yet? And if you did, where did you get it from? And have you rewatched it yet? And rewatching it, how did that make you feel? Did it make you like it any more, any less? What are your feelings on it? I can't get this back in here, so we're just gonna leave it over here for now. All right. So yeah, so that is the Rise of Skywalker Target exclusive. Yeah, let me know if you got one as well. Where did you get Rise of Skywalker from, and what do you think? So, thanks so much for watching, everyone. This is Nothing Nerdy signing off. Have a great night, everyone.